Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you're doing well. So with today's vlog, this is the deal. Today's vlog is especially in English. The reason, let me tell you. And in today's vlog, we are going to the European side of Istanbul, specifically to a district called Eyup. Why this district is so famous is because for historic reasons as well as for religious reasons, because the companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Abu Ayub Ansari, his tomb is there. So we're gonna visit that, and I've heard that that district is beautiful. So let's explore that district together, and let's see what that district has to offer. The reason for this vlog being in English is my two sweet nephews Abdullah and Hamza requested me to make some vlogs in English because they cannot understand Urdu. So this bus 99A goes to Eyup Sultan from Eminönü. So that was the Galata Bridge, and this is the bus stop right next to the Eminönü Square, and 99A or 44B, these two buses. So friends, this is the Eyup Sultan district, and as you can see, such a beautiful and cute area. Just look at this cute cafe, so beautiful. So this is the main square of the Eyup Sultan area. You can see it's so beautiful. Wow. So beautiful, and so many people out today. The weather is nice. Some sweet cafes there. Other cafes right over there. And this is the main Grand Mosque. And I believe the tomb of Hazrat Abu Ayub Ansari would be inside as well. So let's go and check out. So this is the Grand Mosque. And right behind the Grand Mosque is the tomb of Hazrat Khalid bin Zaid or Hazrat Abu Ayub Ansari Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. So let's go closer. So we're now inside the tomb, and I have to be a little quiet. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
İlerliyoruz, beklemiyoruz. Buyurun.
شر ما
And these are all the graves from the ancient times. As you could see, 1327. So much history related to Istanbul. It's indeed a magical city. Takes you back in time, thousands and thousands of years ago. And this is the main street of Eyup Sultan area. Surprisingly, so many people. Such a beautiful and clean area. I wasn't expecting it to be that grand and that beautiful, but it supersedes my expectations. If you're ever coming to Istanbul, please, please, please do visit Eyup Sultan. Highly recommended. It gives me the impression of Taksim's Istiklal Street. Such a beautiful location. See those cable cars coming down from the hill? They go all the way up, and there are some beautiful cafes on the top where you see the flag right there. The city is just so remarkable and so full of surprises. I was thinking of going up there, but then there's a huge queue in front of us. You could see right from there all the way down. So probably I'll skip the idea of taking a cable car. Show you. So friends, this is the Eyup Sultan area and the tomb of the Sahaba of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Abu Ayub Ansari. I hope you liked the vlog, especially Hamza and Abdullah, because this was made on your request in English. So until next time, Assalamu alaikum and ciao.